Today at MOBHouse Punboxing, if it walks like one and quacks like one, then it must be one. 2. Cute leh, our intro. If you think it's awesome, please give us a like and subscribe. Now I'm going to gently open this up because real men are gentle. So what is this? Hey, it's the balik lah. Flip it around faster. Flip it around. That's correct. Good boy. Oi, why you flip it back? Hey, just don't correct him Ducky 1, 2, ta-da! Wow, let me remove the protection first because you need to remove the wrapping before use. What is this? Ducky keyboard. Huh? What is a duck doing in a keyboard? Also cannot eat. Huh? But it does look very sexy. Wow. Very nice. Let me finger it a bit and try. Dame, yamete! What do you think this is? This is not Pornhub. This is YouTube, huh? Okay, let's go back to the keyboard. Whew, the keycaps look very premium and nice. And the keyboard is so powerful that if you hit the Avengers with it, it will be the end game. Wow, is that dog? Does that say dog? Wait, let me take a closer look. Wait, I think, yes, that is a dog on the right side and a duck on the left side. And this is Akko. Akko just looks like Akko because it's cool. Now this is the Ducky keycap remover. You know why they give you a tool to open this? Because they know you are weak, boy. Very nice. I like it. Now you see the blue switch. I like this the most because I can annoy everybody at the office with it. Ow. Are you annoyed yet? Yes, sir. Good. Wow, what is this? Huh? Jay, you need help Well, why don't you stop screwing up so you can go home? Well, this is for you to prop your keyboard up so you can prop yourself up like a king. And this is a USB-C port. The keyboard is very nice, very blue, very purple with a little bit of black and yellow. Because once you go black, you can't go back. And once you go yellow, you won't need another fellow. This is the Ducky 1.2 Horizon Double Shot PBT mechanical keyboard, priced at 420 ringgit or $99. This thing is so cheap, so beautiful. It's a cheap buy, not cheap. If you don't like RGB keyboard like me, then this is the one for you. Blue and purple is the color of royalty elsewhere, and yellow is the color of limpe, or the color of royalty in Malaysia.